Good evening. Yes, I'm saying good evening. I did a braid out today. I realized at a little before 2 o'clock that I needed to do something to my hair because I'd done nothing to it for days. And the reason I needed to do something to my hair was because I was going to be the speaker on a virtual coronation. I'm going to stop here and say thank you. Thank you to my subscribers. Thank you for the new that have joined my family. Thank you for the hang in there, been there for a long time, not going anywhere subscribers. Thank you. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing, and commenting my videos. And I'm just going to ask you to continue to do that. I see you as a part of the Gene G family. So what you're going to see coming up is the result of my hair after having braids in my hair for only 2 hours. A little less than 2 hours because I did the braids. I started around 2 o'clock. At 4 o'clock, I was sitting in front of my computer, Zooming at a conference, a coronation. The Queen of Diamond, I'll have to put it right down here. I can't remember the name of the organization, but it was a wonderful experience. And I spoke on making queen moves. So you'll see in the next clip me taking my braids down and seeing the results of a 2-hour braid out. 2 hours with braids to create a braid out. And it did come out pretty good. I used the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Hold and Shine moisturizing spray in order to set my braids. And this is the product that I used. And this is it. You know, I use it for frizz. And it did pretty good to bring my hair to a point where I didn't mind being in front of a camera. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my subscribers and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He's allowed me to make queen moves through purpose, prayer, persistence, and praise. And that's the message that He gave me for the queens today. And I praise Him all the more for it. Have a wonderful day.